GIS Land Automation. The flow of scenario here, the totally the backend using a Django, front end the design portion and all we are using for the React JS. Suppose here the dashboard is look like this. The dashboard, based on the selection of the particular mandal, the village selection, automatically the existing data is fetch back from the existing database source and show the reflected on dashboard. Here, suppose I'm selecting the randomly particular XYZ village. Suppose I'm selecting the data is existed in so and so village. The automatically the related category of the data is fetched back from the database. It is written the data from the data is getting from the endpoint API. Uh, the React we are showcasing the data as a front end. Here the finally data is the look like this. The data, the village boundary, existing land covers on uh, the crossing means it is the boundary is the part of the within the village and the land cover. The automatically the land boundaries it is reflected. Here the land boundaries is fine. We are category we are creating the choosing of land category means based on uh, the need of land, that means the land sale land or buying land or lease land, and the water cover utilization, the extent of the canals, extending of the some of the water projects, the land covers need to extend, some of the houses need to uh, uh, remove, we need to choose the category the belonging to the means we need to refund the amount to the so based on the use case scenario, the land cover. How actually the dashboard is reflected. The existing the particular village, the land covers within the village boundary, the data is reflected, and here inside scroll bar and inside the selection category selection. Here existing category we are uniquely we are identifying the entities based on the selection of category. The automatically we are choosing particular category, the category related things only is reflected on map. We are clear, here the dashboard, certain level zoom outing, and again we are uh, changing the category scenario. The automatically choosing data is automatically is reflected on below tabular format, as usually existing geospatial wise the map, coordinate system wise map, the automatically the same four entity of data is reflected, means the four l- land boundaries is reflected. Similarly, I am choosing for the category of some other, the automatically the map also it is reflected. I'm selecting some other all land boundaries. The automatically the same thing is reflected on below table, and as usually map, as usually the scroll down also is reflected on same data. Here I'm choosing data is the existed on the database. We are particularly we are looking for the particular village. I'm changing the village, XYZ village. Now I'm same. I'm looking some other village. Here the automatically the reflection will previously existing village boundary data is removed, and old data is removed, and existing category also is reflected on the map. We are zoom out, the automatically the reflection scenario will be we are clearly observe. I want to see all the automatically all data will be reflected on here. Polygons is reflected. Similarly, the tabular form also it is reflected. In this way, we can randomly categorize based on state, district, mandal, villages. We need to increase the complex cases and yeah, do the land automation use case scenarios. This way we can increase the land aggregations, means the food aggregation. Zomato is the food aggregation scenario. Similarly, this is the use case for the land aggregation. We need to buying the lands. We need to who are the seller is best, the lowest land sale offering. The what are the resources nearby the land? We can filter suggest scenarios is sharply so monitor and decrease error ratio is possible. Fine, I'm giving conclusion. Thank you. Goodbye.